Let's have a look at the Utillian 421. This very accessible dry herb vaporizer is the new and improved version of the Utillian 420, the newest in the line from Canadian-based manufacturer Utillian. Inside the box you'll find one Utillian 421, one USB charging cable, one packing tool, 2 extra screens, and one mouthpiece heat shield. The first thing you'll want to do with the unit is sterilize it. To do that, press the button on the side 5 times to turn it on. Press and hold the power button to get to the maximum temperature. The Utillian 421 has a 7-minute auto shutoff, so turn it back on and repeat this process 3 more times to complete the sterilization. This will get rid of any of the manufacturing oils which may have gotten inside of the unit as a result of putting it together. To load your unit, first unscrew the mouthpiece from the heating chamber. Load your botanical into the chamber using your Zeus scoop. Once you have completed this, replace the mouthpiece and you are ready to go. The Utillian 421 has 6 temperature settings that you can cycle between by pressing and holding the button for a varying amount of time. 180 degrees Celsius is the lowest, then 190, 200, 210, 220, and finally 230 degrees Celsius. Once you have selected your desired temperature, let it heat up. The Utillian 421 displays set temperature and current temperature. When the set matches the current, you are ready to vaporize. To wrap this up, I'd like to tell you about some of the key features of the Utillian 421 which make it such a phenomenal little device. The Utillian 421 features full airflow control, which is a huge plus. Being able to control the draw resistance is a wonderful thing, especially in a budget-conscious vaporizer like this. It's an extra level of customization that can accommodate a wide variety of users. The second is the Utillian's 6 preset temperatures. The range of temperatures that the Utillian has to offer hits all of the bases for experienced vapors and new users alike. The third is the Utillian 421's digital display. This is a vast improvement from the first model, as it now shows current and set temperature, which is great for anyone who wants to know exactly when their vapor will be ready. It also displays battery life, which is a fantastic upgrade. All in all, the Utillian 421 is a fantastic budget vaporizer packed full of useful features that is a perfect starting point for any connoisseur. I'm Alex for TVape TV. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe, and for all you connoisseurs out there, keep vaping!